your girl AlongCameAna, and today we're gonna do a morning wake up routine. So I'm gonna show you guys what I use on my face in the mornings and how do I get this beautiful skin. But of course, everybody has their days. No skin is absolutely perfect unless you are consistent, okay? So I'm gonna show you the things that I use. So hopefully they work for you. And we can just have some morning inspiration, because sometimes we just need some morning inspiration and to feel good. We all need to feel good. So we're gonna do a morning makeup. You can see I'm still in my PJs, but sometimes I need to just come on here and talk to my girls, because it's like, seriously, like, okay, it's supposed to be the summertime. We gotta get our skin right, and we just need to continue to support each other, okay? So let's start. So yes, look at my bags. So usually what I start with is my eye cream. So that's how I started, with my little eye cream. I started. So I do this. And I usually like massage my face, you know, just to keep the wrinkles out. I actually seen this on a lot of TikToks, honestly, and I've done my research on it, and it actually does work. You know, just massaging your skin, massaging your face, bringing it up. Okay, just bring it up to the sky, because you don't want to be there. You're gonna be here forever. Okay. We want to be there forever. Then I do like a lip scrub, because I like, you know, my heavenly lip scrub. My lip scrub. So I use this for my lips. It's coconut. Let me show you what it's made out of before I even use it. It's my coconut lip scrub. I'm not even gonna show you because I'm gonna steal my recipe. Okay. So I take a little bit and I scrub. And it's so hydrating, as you can see. You hear how hydrating it is? I'm gonna take a little napkin, wipe it off. Notice the difference. So I do that. See the difference? Now I go with a moisturizer. I use this from Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Ooh, Ninja away.